Ford Philippines is now offering mobile service vehicles to customers who want to have their Ford serviced or repaired at home or at any other place at their convenience. Ford gave a demonstration of the MSV at the San Lorenzo Village Clubhouse in Makati, where a customer's vehicles were given a 20,000-kilometer preventive maintenance service by Ford technicians.
This event further demonstrates the commitment of Ford in terms of enhancing the overall ownership experience of our customers. The mobile service vehicle is a fully equipped and capable mobile unit. It is capable of repairing more than 70% of vehicle repairs, like from your wheel balancing, from your regular periodic maintenance, tire rotation, programming of your vehicle, as well as some field service action. It is capable of performing all of those repairs.
To book a mobile service vehicle, Ford vehicle owners can visit the Ford website and navigate to the online service reservation platform. Look for the title labeled Mobile Service Vehicle and click on it. There, one can select the dealership that offers mobile service vehicles and schedule a service appointment at the place of the owner's convenience.